Sophia.
He's dying. He's dying.
Touch him, Sam. Go, Sophia. Sophia, touch him. All right, Sam, touch him. Here.
Dying.
No, you look. Touch him, boy.
Sophie. No.